Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the duplicate debtor warning. When a debtor has an existing file at the practice and they book a new injury on duty booking, a duplicate debtor file will need to be created. This will allow the practitioner to capture all the details regarding the IOD separately on the system. This is done to ensure that the correct person is responsible for the payment of the account. The injury on duty file will contain separate information fields that will be needed when an IOD case is submitted. For example, a claim number, date of injury, and details relating to the injury. The duplicate debtor warning will pop up when the same ID number is used of a debtor that already has a file on the system. On the main diary screen, either double-click on an available time slot or click on the New Booking button in the top right corner of the screen. The Add Edit Booking screen will appear. For more information on how to create a new debtor and how to create a new IOD debtor, please refer to the user manual links in this video's description. Under debtor details, when entering a debtor's ID number that is already saved on the system, a warning message will appear. The message will advise that the existing debtors with similar ID numbers have been found. Click on the burger menu to see the details of the debtors whose details match the IOD debtor that the user is trying to make a new booking for. The duplicate debtor screen will open to show which debtors were found with similar ID numbers. The information on the duplicate debtor screen will be divided into columns. The number sign is the debtor file number of the debtor that is or will be duplicated. Please note that for best practice, please check that the following information is the same as the debtor you are making the booking for before importing the debtor's information. First name, which is the first name of the debtor that the user would like to make the booking for. Last name, the surname of the debtor. Cell phone number is the cellular number or mobile number of the debtor. The ID number is the identification number of the debtor. Medical aid is the name of the company with which the debtor has medical insurance or medical aid. The medical aid option is the name of the medical aid plan corresponding to the medical aid of the debtor. Date of injury is the date when the incident took place. Last updated is when last the details were updated of the debtor. Similarity is a percentage that indicates how closely the details of the debtor that the user would like to make a booking for matches to the debtor whose details are already on the system. Click on the debtor to select them in order to import the details from the existing file. Click on the Close button to cancel the request and return to the Add Edit Booking screen. Click on the Import Debtor button to import the details of the debtor from the saved account that the user has selected. The Add Edit Booking screen will open again and the existing debtor's details will now be imported from their saved account. To learn more on how to book a duplicate debtor's IOD booking, please refer to the user manual in this video's description.